really cold. Ooh, hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Cold.
Okay. Grapes.
Grapes.
Mangoes.
Mangoes.
Apples.
Apples. Cherries.
Cherries.
Pears. Pears. Berries.
I
don't care.
Okay, I need one to turn around.
Me.
Okay, Olivia, you can turn around. Right. Okay, turn around. Right, now you have to find the apple.
Is it here?
You're cold.
Is it here?
You're hot.
Is it here?
You're very hot. It's here.
Yay! Cool.
Cool. We start again. Okay. Right. Okay, turn around. Where is the grape?
Is it here?
Cool.
Cold.
Very cold.
Is it here?
Hot. Warmer.
Is it here?
Yes, you're hot.
Yay.
Okay, you can actually use this with real fruit. You can hide them in the room, and you can use this with all type of themes as well. So go ahead, have fun.